Okay, so here's the deal. You remember when the game had that dating show called She Got Game? And on the reality TV show, there was that really fine chick, Priscilla Rainey, who was suing him for sexual assault. Well, here's your update. The game is requesting some very personal information that most women would not want the world to know. But hey, when you file a $10 million lawsuit against somebody, you never know what may pop up, what they may request. So, TMZ posted a story titled, "The Game to Judge. Let me tell the jury my sexual assault accuser was a whore." I totally disagree with that. Priscilla Rainey is a lovely lady, and I don't like this. I don't like how this is sounding. I don't like this shit right here. I don't like this shit right here. I'm eating a banana right now. Got the glasses and the perm going. That's a belly reference for anybody. Anyways, TMZ goes on to say the game's asking the judge in his sexual assault case to make his accuser's sexual history fair game. History that allegedly includes prostitution. The rapper's legal team is opposing Priscilla Rainey's request to prohibit them from raising issues about her alleged past in the trial, which she claims is only meant to inflame the jury and victim shame. But Game's team just filed legal docs claiming her history is a direct reflection of her credibility. Specifically, allegations she was a prostitute and engaged in a, quote, promiscuous lifestyle. He also wants the jury to know she allegedly spent time in a mental institution. Game also wants the jury to know she's allegedly been arrested for theft. TMZ broke the story. Rainey sued Game for $10 million, accusing him of sexually assaulting her while she was a contestant on his reality show, She Got Game. She claims he put his hands up her skirt and rubbed her vagina and buttocks. Thank you very much, TMZ, for this tea. Now, those are some very, very harsh accusations. Let me find out that the Game is a Republican, wearing his red and whatnot. And, he's down with some Donald Trump type shit and trying to grab her by the pussy. But that's none of my business. No, let me stop. All jokes aside, because this shit is so not funny. I remember watching She Got Game. Priscilla Rainey was one of my favorite contestants. I said, man, now that is a lovely and very poised and level-headed young lady. She's very beautiful. And I hope that the Game doesn't pick her, because I would hate for him to ruin her life. This is literally what I said by the second episode. I said, man, I'm feeling some Priscilla Rainey. She's something else. She's special. A lot of people were rooting for Rebecca, the woman who he ended up picking at the end, the Jamaican lady. She's fine as hell too, don't get me wrong. But I was like, man, that Priscilla is really something special. She was my favorite. And I was like, dang, like, too bad I wasn't a roadie on tour or something like that. I could have, spit a couple hot bars at her and you never know, maybe she would have chose up, but nah, let me stop. She's way out of my league. But you know what I mean, though. I didn't want Game getting to her and soiling her. I said, man, she's really something else. It's not just the way she looks. It was also her personality, her mind, and her talent. She's an amazing model and businesswoman. So I'm just happy that Game did not choose her and she did not choose Game. But I think that the whole situation is truly unfortunate, because nobody should be treated that way. Not man, woman, nobody. No one should treat anyone in such a disgusting way, and just rather in such a disgusting manner. Now, remember, what is being said are accusations. I was not there. I did not see any footage of what is being alleged on either side, whether or not she's, lived a promiscuous lifestyle, or whether or not the Game really pulled a Donald Trump and grabbed her by the pussy, or whatever. But his behavior, the things that he's done in his career, have been pretty fucked up. So if Game did do something like this, I would honestly not be surprised. But I hope there's some video footage that'll come out that'll prove whoever is guilty, and whoever is innocent in the situation. And I just really think it's shameful, for her to be put in this position where she has to go to trial and have to relive these memories of whatever. I know something happened. I'm not saying Game did anything for legal reasons. I'm not saying he did something. The only thing I'm saying is that something did happen that night, because I don't think that she just made these accusations up out of thin air. And shame on you for anybody who witnessed whatever truly happened if you're keeping your mouth shut. Right now is the time to speak up in this woman's defense, and don't just let her, walk away from the situation without anybody having her damn back. Somebody needs to speak up now, because you didn't speak up then. From what I understand, I don't think anybody said anything at the particular moment of the incident or incidents, because I don't remember hearing anything about anybody, stepping up to the plate and saying, well, this is what I saw, any, key witnesses or anything like that. But yeah, man, shame on you for anybody who was there that night and you're trying to keep your mouth shut for whatever reason. I don't care if I was Game's best friend. I would say, look, man, it wasn't Game, but it was his homeboy. Everybody was drinking. It was dark up in there. And it wasn't actually, you know what I'm saying? Like, whatever really happened, I would just tell the truth. And this is really shameful. I'm sorry that the beautiful Priscilla Rainey had to go through this, but this is all my thirsty opinion. I'm biased. She's a fine ass woman, so hey, even if she was guilty, then that would be the time I just shut up. But anyways, let me set my simple self up right now, so I'm about to guzzle a bottle of water up in here. But anyways, let me know what you think about it all below. Be sure to subscribe to the Meat Magazine YouTube channels. Visit meatmagazine.blogspot.com for more. Follow me on Twitter at Meat Magazine, Meat Magazine 7 on Google+, and Meat Magazine blog on Instagram. Boy, it's hard out here for a pretty girl.